This is a copepod, a microscopic organism that lives in water. They are a type of zooplankton, a plankton that is more animal-like than its cousin, phytoplankton. Copepods are important to marine ecosystems because they serve as a primary food source for many marine species, forming a vital link within the food chain. After gathering a sample of plankton from the Long Island Sound, the sample is then transferred into a petri dish and spread out into water droplets across the grid using a pipette. The sample is then observed under a microscope, where we can count how many copepods and other various types of plankton can be seen. This is done to measure the amount of and types of plankton and copepods that can be found in the Long Island Sound, and to discover which factors affect the different species, their growth, and their population density. The amount of each species can change greatly depending on many variables such as runoff water after a storm or higher than normal temperatures, which results in less dissolved oxygen. How the various species are being affected can be observed through which species are more prevalent in the samples collected. For example, if you are in an area where you would normally find the larger species like Oithona, which are better suited to colder climates, and instead you are observing higher amounts of smaller species like Harsha, which are better fit for the warmer temperatures, this would be a sign that the species composition or population for that area is being affected by rising temperatures. A change in the variety of plankton and copepods on the specific area could affect other marine species that rely on that specific variety for food. They may have to move on to colder or warmer environments. I have observed and recorded the changes to the various species on Long Island Sound. I have seen firsthand how the populations are affected by the summer heat as well as by the warmer than normal winters. If we can continue to monitor the copepods and plankton, we can identify what environmental changes are affecting the populations in any given area. Copepods and the research around them are important because they are an indicator of the climate changes happening around us. I am hoping to have the opportunity to continue my own research and share what I have already learned while pursuing a degree in environmental science.